woman goes through something completely different. That's why when someone says, well, my pregnancy was this, I did this, you know, when people give unsolicited advice, which bothers the hell out of me, because it really does, because everybody's different. Everybody's going to breastfeed different. Everyone's going to gain weight different.
Yeah.
It's all different. So it's I just don't get the whole, why can't you just uplift people? How hard is it to say, you look great, period?